this is group 1 metal reactions, and we're going to start with the least reactive, which is the top of group 1, which is lithium. Right, so I'm going to take some lithium out. Lithium is at the top, I think. It is definitely. Okay. So here's my lithium. Right. And I'm going to take some, the next one down is sodium. I'm going to take all 3 out. So here's sodium. Now, as we go down the group, the reactivity increases. So here's my sodium. And finally, I've got potassium. Now, they are all stored in water, and you'll find out why in a bit. Now, it's stored in water because these react very, very violently with water. And does oil and water mix? No. No, it doesn't. So that's why you store it in oil, so that it doesn't react with water. So, now I just want to show you how it cuts. So lithium's at the top. We're going to see how easy it is to cut. It's quite tough to get through. It's quite shiny when you do cut it. It's quite shiny when you cut it. This is sodium. Let's see whether it's difficult or easy compared to lithium. It's quite easy. And what do you think? Is potassium going to be hard or difficult to cut? Easy. I said hard or difficult. That's not a choice. It's easy, yeah. Right, so that's the easiest to cut. So, now, in terms of the pH of water, is the pH of water, is it neutral, acid, or alkaline? Neutral. So it should have like a greeny color when we add the universal indicator in. And can you see that greeny color? That's showing a neutral pH, pH 7. So here's lithium.
Look, guys.
So here is lithium. I'm going to add lithium into it. See what happens. So straight away, it takes a little bit of time. Good, there's fizzing, there's bubbles. What gas do you think is being given off, guys? Hydrogen.
My name got slapped with a toaster.
And what color does lithium give off? A pinky reddish flame. Yeah. Don't worry about the phone. Yeah. Now, so that's hydrogen. What's happening to the solution? Is it becoming acid or alkaline?
It's turning blue. Alkaline.
It's turning blue. What does that show? Acid or alkaline? Alkaline. Brilliant. Now, the word reaction for this is lithium. What did we add the lithium to? Water, which makes lithium hydroxide plus which gas?
Hydrogen.
Hydrogen. Brilliant. So now here we're going to add some sodium. Let's see. Do you think this is going to react more violently or less violently? More violently. Let's see. Straight away you get the bubbles.
Why are you going into a ball?
Because that's the hydrogen gas that it's given off. What color is the flame?
Orangey yellow.
Orangey yellow for sodium.
I can't see a flame actually.
So what happens if you do all 3 of them at the same time? Like lithium, potassium, and what's it called?
You'll end up with solutions, a mixture of a solution. Good question though. So that's our yellow flame.
Does it just like disappear?
It reacts to form a solution of lithium hydroxide. Yeah. So the reaction for this one is lithium, sodium, because it was sodium. Sodium plus water makes sodium hydroxide plus what gas? Hydrogen gas. Good. So this one is the most reactive, potassium, and you guys might want to move back a little bit for this one. So, are you ready? So, we're expecting a more violent reaction. Do you agree that was more violent? Straight away. Right. What color was that?
Purple.
Purple. Now with potassium we say it's lilac. Okay, but yeah. You ready for this next one?
Is this one going to be better? That one.
Yeah. So this one is like the most I've ever put in. This is potassium again. The most reactive. So it's the equation. The equation is potassium plus water makes potassium hydroxide plus your hydrogen gas. You ready?
Yeah. Now. Okay, go on.
Brilliant. And that is the alkali metals done.